there's one thing you should know about Nepal, it's that its hiking trails are legendary, winding through the epic Himalayas and leading to some of the most breathtaking views on Earth. Think Mount Everest Base Camp, the Annapurna Circuit, and the Annapurna Sanctuary Trek, just to name a few. Every year, nearly 700,000 adventurers come here for the trek of a lifetime. Are we among those setting off for weeks to end conquering high-altitude trails? Not just yet, but are we up for a low-maintenance hike with incredible views? Absolutely. After chatting with a few travel agencies, we landed on Australian Base Camp, a trek with stunning landscapes, unexpected encounters, and, as we'd soon find out, a few surprises along the way.
Very wet, bumpy.
But before we hit the trail, let's rewind to the day before the adventure begins. Today, we are wandering through the old town of Pokhara, a quieter, more traditional side of the city that we hadn't explored before. It has the same charm as Thamel, Kathmandu's famous old town, but with a much more laid-back atmosphere. Here, the crowds are fewer, and the beautifully preserved Nawali architecture tells the story of the town's rich history, the side of a Pokhara that feels almost frozen in time.
So today we are on the bus to the Australian camp, and now we are taking the local bus and on the way to Kande, which is the starting point of the Australian camp hike.
The day has come. We're excited to be on the route to hike the Australian base camp. And here we are on the bus from Pokhara Lakeside to the starting point of the hike, Kande.
On our way to Australian camp. It's a really nice day today. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. It's okay.
Australian base camp sits at the 2,050 meters in the Annapurna region, just a short trek from Pokhara. It's a perfect scenic escape for those who want a taste of the Himalayas without committing to a multi-day expedition. This trek takes you through lush forests, traditional villages, and terrace fields, all leading up to a panoramic view of Annapurna, Dharamgiri, and the iconic Machaputri Peak.
Love that they have all the signs along the way to Australian camp. The mountain air is very fresh. It's so good here. Namaste. Australian camp?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Hello.
Chocolate.
Huh? I don't have chocolate. Two cats? High five. Hey. What's your name?
America.
America.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate. I don't have chocolate. Sorry. Bye bye. Bye.
Hello, goatee. Mimi. You're cute. Another cute Nepal smart house. Enjoy every second. Is this yours?
Yes. My schools.
Schools. Very nice. Nice drumming. Okay, we have half an hour to go. This to Australian camp?
Oh, same.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
But why is it called Australian Base Camp? Well, legend has it that a group of Australian trekkers set up camp here years ago, and the name just stuck. Today is a popular spot with cozy tea houses, warm hospitality, and the breathtaking sunrise views. Australian camp? Oh, thank you. How much is the room? How much?
You want?
1 year. Yes, snowy mountains. We got a little cafe here. Namaste. We have arrived at the Australian camp and having our milk tea with a view like this. Got little bells. After about 3 hours of hiking, we finally arrived in Dhampus, a small village where we planned to catch a bus back to Pokhara. But here's the twist, there wasn't a single bus in sight, and it was only 3 p.m. So we started asking around, and luckily the locals told us about a jeep heading up to Pokhara. After about half an hour wait, we finally squeezed in. And let me tell you, this was one bumpy bus ride. We're on a jeep to go back to Pokhara because all the buses are gone. On a very wet, bumpy. And just like that, our Australian base camp adventure comes to an end. From breathtaking mountain views to unexpected detours, this hike was the perfect way to experience Nepal's beauty without the altitude headaches. Whether you are an experienced trekker or just looking for a scenic day hike, this trail proves that you don't have to go far to find the magic in the Himalayas.